Hi there, my name is Caroline, and I wanted to give you a brief introduction as to how your VibraSonic works. So once you get it plugged in, you want to make sure that you turn on the switch in the back by the power cord. Once that is done, there's a second switch here on the side that you'll want to turn on. Now when you're done using your machine, you can go ahead and flip this off because that turns off the amplifier inside. You'll hear the fan switch off, just takes added power, it's added wear on the amp to leave it on. If it's frequently used during the day, then you can go ahead and leave it on. And it takes about 2 minutes normally to boot up this panel if it's been completely shut off. But this is your home screen. Okay, this is home base. You see all these tabs across the top? This is the one that you're gonna wanna come back to. It's called Auto. So you have low, medium, high, and ultra. You pick whichever one you want, and this gives you a full body cycle. If you do just want to focus on one part of the body or two parts of the body, you can do that too. Or you can tap and swipe. If you are on the machine and it does seem too intense, you can change the intensity and go to a lower or higher program without having to stop and restart. If you want to pause to go to the restroom or answer the phone, you just hit pause. Then you can unpause and resume your full body workout. So right here, it's going to show you the frequency you're at. We're at 14 Hertz. Now we're at 76%. So this is the intensity or the percentage, and this is the frequency. This will alternate, go through, and hit all the frequencies that target all the muscle groups and organs in your body. Okay, once you have this going, then you're going to go to these other tabs. So there's Essentials, Sports Recovery, and Wellness. And you can pick up to 5 things that you want to do. So let's say you want to do weight loss. You start the frequencies, let's turn down the volume. This controls the volume to the plate, and it says so right here, so you don't have to remember. This controls the volume to the speakers and the cell exciters. You can go to a different panel and pick another frequency, different panel, pick another frequency. Like I said, up to 5. If you want to shut it off completely, always go back to your auto, which is your home screen. And this is all stop. It shuts everything down. So if you don't want to do the full body program, there is a manual setting right here. And you can pick a particular frequency to target a certain muscle group. And you just hit start. You can set your timer, you can set your intensity, higher or lower. If you want to work on just lymphatics, you could go for frequency 4, 5, and 6. Just run it back and forth. And then you could go over to here on the wellness frequencies and hit lymphatic. And that completely targets your lymphatic system. If you hit stop on a page, it stops that sound. But if you want to stop the whole machine, you have to go back to your home screen, whatever it is, manual or auto. I suggest auto. We all need all parts of our body stimulated, all the cells activated. So that concludes the basic operation for this machine.